Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. In this video you will see in which direction the price of IOTA has moved recently. Additionally, you will find out what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and RSI are predicting about its price and future movements. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description.
Taking a look at the hourly time frame for IOTA, it can be seen that the price went down with around 3.9% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 15.0 cents. The fact that the sellers are taking over can be deduced because the volume was high and the move was strong. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 20 SMA downwards, but it's not a very strong signal that the volume hasn't been very high. For this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 20 SMA will play as resistance, or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 15.2 cents.
Jumping to the hourly exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the hourly ribbon, which is usually bearish, and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 15.5 cents. The resistance should be relatively strong seeing as the ribbon is spread out. Jumping to the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 41, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Moving to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 200 SMA, will play as resistance, or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 15.4 cents. Important to note is that the price is currently below the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong resistance. However, breaking it decisively to the upside will signal a potential big move up.
Jumping to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is below the 3-hourly ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 15.6 cents. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Usually, when the price moves to the side, the ribbon is less reliable. Moving to the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 40, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Jumping to the daily simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, will play as resistance, or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 15.7 cents. Looking at the daily exponential moving averages, the current price is below the daily ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 17.1 cents. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Generally, when the price moves sideways, the ribbon gets less accurate.
Looking at the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 45, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions, as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.